Hey, this is Arlene. It's June the 23rd, 2020. So, this is the charger that goes into the charger port that you can see has been pretty much vandalized. This is what it originally looks like, so you can see the difference between the two of them. So this one is not charging my iPhone or my iPad right now, but someone also messes with my outlet, so I don't know if they're just shutting down the outlet so it's not charging. That I'm not an electrician and no, but it's somebody here in the Derby Apartments that's doing it, a tenant. So anyways, and you'll also see how wide it is. This one got messed up. They never made it yellow like the other one over there that's yellow. So I'm going to use this one, and this one is going to go in the trash, and I will cut the cord just to do that. And so this is a new, I've had this one for a while, but I've made a point of always getting extra charging cables because of the vandalism that happens inside my apartment by Derby tenants.